Aditi International School. Today we have a science exhibition and we all are very excited for it.
Interesting reaction of potassium permanganate with sulfuric acid. First we add a little bit of potassium permanganate to this ceramic utensil. Then my partner will add sulfuric acid, which is very concentrated, so please stand a bit back. As you can see, the green color forming, which is due to the formation of manganese heptoxide and permanganic acid. When we add paper to this mixture, it instantly starts to burn and react. We will add a little bit more paper to make the reaction work. As you can see, the gas being released is manganese dioxide gas, and then another gas is oxygen. This reaction is very exothermic, meaning it releases very much heat. When the reaction is finished, means when the paper is stopped burning and reacting, we will add baking soda water to neutralize the acid. As you can see, the purplish smoke is coming. This is due to the formation of permanganate, potassium permanganate again. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. A very good morning, ma'am. We are students of class 9th, and today we are representing our model hydraulic JCB, which is based on the principle of Pascal law. Pascal law states when force is exerted on a confined liquid and pressure is created which is equally distributed in all directions. Now my partner will show you how it works and its applications.
It is used in various places like hydraulic cranes, hydraulic lifts and jacks.
What all materials have used in this model?
We use syringes, pipes, cardboards and ice cream sticks.
Okay, great. Thank you.
We give command to the switch and the switch reacts quickly by giving the pump by giving the pump to be activated, and it gives pressure to the water to come out. Now it is going to explain you the mechanism.
We have used IR sensors and transistor and the pump to give water to them and bulbs.
Thank you.
What do you like the most in this science exhibition?
ऑलमोस्ट सारे ही मुझे पसंद आए, बट ये है कि बच्चों की जो मेहनत है वो मुझे दिखी इसमें। जो बच्चों का मतलब एक्सपीरियंस है, जो टीचरों ने पढ़ाया है वो निखर के सामने आया है। ऐसा नहीं है कि टीचर ने पढ़ा दिया, बच्चों ने कुछ और बना दिया है। मतलब ये हमको इससे बच्चों की जो एक्टिविटी है या बच्चे जो चीज़ कर रहे हैं, तो उससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि टीचर उनको किस तरीके से गाइड कर रही है और मतलब बच्चों को कितना समझ में आ रहा है। यदि बच्चों को समझ में आ रहा है तभी तो वो उसको यूटिलाइज़ कर रहे हैं, दिखा रहे हैं, दूसरे को एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं। अगर वो चीज़ बच्चों को ही समझ में नहीं आएगी तो वो कैसे पेरेंट्स को बता पाएंगे। और सबसे बेस्ट बात मुझे ये लगी कि हर बच्चा कॉन्फिडेंस है बोलने के लिए। थैंक यू।
Liquid is known as xylem, and xylem helps to transport water and minerals from the root to the whole part of the plant body. This blue color liquid contains phloem. The special vessel by which food produced during photosynthesis is transported to all parts of the plant is called phloem. Thank you.
Can you please tell what materials are used in this model?
It is made up of thermocol, chart paper, and cardboard.
Can you please tell something about your model?
Ma'am, this is a model of human digestive system. When we eat food, the food goes from trachea to stomach. Then digestive juices and gases digest our food. Then
on the either side of backbone, each kidney is made up of about 1 million of tiny structures called the nephrons.
the waste passes through the tubes are called ureter, which lead into an elastic muscular sac called a urinary bladder.
The neutron filter waste such as exclusive water, salt and urea from the blood. The filter blood then goes off the kidney through the renal veins. Thank you, sir.
Can you please tell how much time does it take ureter to go the waste?
Ball. Because of that magnetic ball, the center of mass is pushing it upward. Can you show?
So like this is the high weighted body and here is the low weighted.
Okay.
So the high weighted body will tend to balance the body. So that's why it will go upward by itself only.
Okay, great. Thank you. Can you please explain me the procedure of dialysis?
Dialysis is the type of a treatment which is used to remove the extra fluid
extra fluid and waste product from our body through the urine. It is like the artificial kidney. When person's kidney does not work properly, they can do the dialysis.
Okay. And what does this happen from do?
To prevent clotting.
Okay, great.
Any two or any three. So like I have taken.
Choose any 3.
Now take 2 libraries from there. 2, any 2.
Now you can see its balance now.
Now you can see this is balance.
And so what principle this works?
मैम बर्नौलीज प्रिंसिपल ये कहता है प्रेशर एनर्जी, काइनेटिक एनर्जी और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. ये इसलिए हवा में जाने के बाद पूरा इक्वल कांस्टेंट रहेगा.
And how high can this drone fly?
10 to 15 meters.
Okay, and what all materials you have used in this?
Motor.
Ma'am, we are making carbon gas. So first we will take baking soda. Then we will take vinegar. Then we will take some water. Can you stand a little? This show the formation of carbon gas. This is used to extinguish fire. Also, this is the 17 element in our periodic table. Also, this is used to calculate the mass of other elements like hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. See this acting on fire. Thank you.
Project of the closed circuit in which we have used the switch, battery and a bulb, and this is made by me and my team members together, which is connected by the positive and the negative conducting wires. We use conductor wire because the conductor wire conduct the electricity to the bulb, and we also use the battery because the group of cells make battery. Can you show me how it works?
When we connect the terminal and on the switch, the bulb light up. This happens because the electricity current flow from one end to the another end, and the main role of wire is this red wire.
And the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. First of all, she will tell about solar system.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. We are the student of class 6. Today we prepared the working model of solar and lunar eclipse. Now I will tell you what is solar system. The sun family is called solar system. In our solar system, there are 2 different types of eclipse: solar and lunar eclipse. Now I will tell you about the 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, their names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, etc.
Yep.
This is called the radius. This is called diameter. This is called chord. The interesting fact about chord is the largest chord is called diameter. This is called tangent. This is called secant. Now she will explain you about the triangle.
Okay, can you please tell what is the use of geoboard in mathematics?
In geoboard we can explain about the different type of shapes.
Habitat. Habitat is a place where organisms live and obtain nutrition. The materials that are used in this project will be explained by Avil Rawat.
Good morning, everyone. These are the habitats. There are different types of habitat. Like aquatic habitat have unusable shoebox and one craft paper. In forest habitat, we uses fake animals, stones and craft papers. In this, we have uses the cotton and thermocol. In this, we have uses the stones, the fake animals and thermocol.
Okay, so can you please tell what animals we can witness in different habitats?
In desert habitat,
Okay, so can you please tell what is the oxygen cycle?
Oxygen cycle is plants release oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. The photosynthesis is the process in which plant make food by itself, and animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide.
The formula of carbon dioxide is O2. Thank you.
So what all materials you have used in this model?
We have used cardboard, colorful chart paper, some stones, animals and cotton. Tornado. A tornado is a funnel-shaped column of air in which it rotates in speed. The material we have used in this are cotton, craft paper, glaze paper and cardboard.
Can you please explain in simple language what is tornado?
In simple language, tornado is the collision of warm breeze and cold breeze.
So what are the precautions we can take in during tornado?
The precaution of this tornadoes, we have to don't stand under the trees, and we have to stay in the tree shelters. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Carry oxygenated blood to different part of bodies. Arteries having thick wall and they are having high blood pressure. That's why they are deep under the skin. Now my friend Riya will tell you about veins.
As you can see the blue pipe here, these are called veins. These are located near the skin. They carry deoxygenated blood. Now my friend Mishba will tell you about
What all materials you have used in this project?
the materials that we have used in this project are thermocol, pipes and the syringe and paper.
Can you show how it works?
Yes, I can show.
Ma'am, can you give us the feedback of the science exhibition? Which project do you like the most?
अच्छा लगा साइंस में
आपको कौन सा मॉडल सबसे अच्छा लगा बता दो.
सबसे लास्ट वाला ना.
ओके दैट सेल्फी कॉर्नर. ओके आपके पास कोई सजेशन है जो आप हमें दे सकते हो?
सजेशन तो यही है कि आपने अच्छा किया है और नीचे छोटे बच्चे भी हैं वो भी बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. इनसे उनकी नॉलेज अच्छी हो रही है और थोड़ा उनको बोलने में भी अच्छा फील हो रहा है ना, सुनने में भी कि बच्चे इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं.
ओके थैंक यू मैम. हैव अ ग्रेट डे मैम.
बहुत अच्छी, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. और बल्कि जो उधर के ग्रुप में लड़कियां मतलब बहुत टॉप कर रही है. लड़कियों ने जो एक्सप्लेन किया है और पूछ रहे हैं, सबसे बड़ी बात कि आप हिंदी में समझोगे कि इंग्लिश में समझोगे. तो सबसे मेन बात ये है कि हम बाकी जगहों में अगर पूछ भी रहे हैं तो वो बता भी रहे हैं तो हम उतना नहीं भी समझ पा रहे हैं, एक बात है. लेकिन बहुत अच्छे तरीके से सबके सब बहुत अच्छा वो बनाया है उन्होंने.
सर आप कुछ हमारे
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत बढ़िया, एक्सीलेंट है. बहुत अच्छे बच्चे, टैलेंट है, अच्छे बना रखे हैं आपने. बच्चे बहुत बढ़िया है, अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस कर रही हैं और बता रहे हैं, समझा रहे हैं. हिंदी जान रहे तो हिंदी में, इंग्लिश जा रहे तो इंग्लिश में, जैसे चाह रहे हैं उस तरह से ब्रीफ कर रहे हैं. बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत सुंदर.
एंड कोई सजेशन आपकी तरफ से हमारे लिए फॉर फ्यूचर हम बहुत अच्छा कर सकें?
बच्चों को समझाने में टाइम लगता है और बच्चे समझ गए तो बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है. बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत सुंदर. थैंक यू.